Volleyball is fast and the floor is hard. Every rally can mean quick dives, sudden drops, and sliding across the court in a split second. One quick move at the wrong angle can leave your knees sore for days. And that's not something anyone wants during the season. That's why today I'm talking about the best volleyball knee pads and what makes them worth your attention. I've picked options that fit a few different categories, so no matter how you play, there's something here that can match your style. You'll find links to all the products down in the description. If this video helps you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments section and I'll get back to you. All right, let's get into the reviews. Mizuno T10 Plus, best volleyball knee pads for men. For men who play hard and move fast, this option keeps things simple and focused. It's built for indoor court action and aims straight at kneecap protection without feeling bulky. The Mizuno T10 Plus comes in a universal adult size, fitting knee circumferences from about 12 to 17.5 inches. The elastic sleeve gives you a snug feel, and the pull-on style makes it quick to get ready before a match. At just over 3.5 ounces per pad, it stays lightweight, so you can move freely across the court. You get high-density foam padding placed right where impact usually hits. The longer sleeve adds more coverage than many standard designs, which can help if you like that extra bit of protection above and below the knee. The outer sleeve uses a mix of polyester, rayon, and elastic, and it's built to resist abrasion during fast plays. It comes as a pair in black or white. One thing to keep in mind, this padding is meant for quick impact, not long hours kneeling on hard floors. For volleyball use, this option balances comfort, fit, and protection really well, especially for players who want reliable coverage without extra bulk. Nike Streak Dry Fit, best volleyball knee pads for women. If you're looking for something made with female athletes in mind, this next pick keeps things light and close to the knee. It focuses on comfort and mobility without adding extra bulk. The Nike Streak Dry Fit comes as a pair and uses soft EVA cushioning to absorb impact during quick floor contact. The padding has a low-profile shape, so you get protection without that thick, heavy feel. The stretch sleeve fits snug and is built to stay in place through jumps, fast cuts, and sudden drops. It uses dry fit fabric to help pull sweat away from the skin, which can make long practices feel more comfortable. You can choose between extra small to small for youth players and medium to large for older teens and adults. Just keep in mind that the fit runs a bit small for some athletes, so checking the size chart really matters. It's available in black or white. Most feedback highlights comfort and strong knee coverage. One area that gets mixed comments is durability. Some players get a full season out of them, others notice wear sooner. For volleyball use, they offer a light, flexible feel with reliable impact protection. BodyProx Youth Knee Pads, best youth volleyball knee pads. For younger players who are still building confidence on the court, knee protection needs to feel secure without being heavy. This next option focuses on comfort, coverage, and a snug fit for growing athletes. The BodyProx Youth Knee Pads are made for teens and older kids, with this version fitting thigh sizes from about 11 to just over 15 inches, measured 3 inches above the kneecap. The stretch fabric and pull-on style make them easy to wear, and the material is built to stay in place during quick movement. Inside, you get high-density EVA foam that helps absorb impact from sudden floor contact. The hex pad shape gives wide coverage across the front of the knee, including a bit above and below for extra protection. They're lightweight and breathable, which can help during long practices. Many parents mention that they work well for slim builds and middle school players. You can choose between 2 size ranges, and they come in black. One area to watch is durability. Some athletes get a full season or more, others see wear sooner, especially with frequent contact. For youth volleyball, though, they offer strong coverage and a comfortable fit. Mizuno LR6, best volleyball knee pads for Libero. Liberos move fast and hit the floor more than anyone else on the court. That means their knee pads need to stay light, flexible, and ready for constant impact. The Mizuno LR6 keeps a low-rise, slim profile that sits close to the knee without extra bulk. It uses VS1 padding placed in high-impact zones, giving coverage across the kneecap and along the sides. The hex-style padding shape helps it flex with your movement, which is a big deal for quick reactions in the back row. At just over 3.5 ounces per pad, it stays lightweight and doesn't feel heavy during long matches. The sleeve measures about 6 3/4 inches in length, with a pull-on design that's easy to get on and off. It comes in small, medium, and large, with color options like black, white, and navy. Many players mention the tapered shape helps reduce slipping, though sizing runs small for some, so going up a size can give a better fit. These are built for serious volleyball play, offering wide knee coverage with a close, second skin feel that suits fast defensive roles really well. Hisfog Volleyball Knee Pads. Best volleyball knee pads for beginners. Getting started in volleyball can feel a little intimidating, especially the first time you hit the floor. A beginner usually needs padding that feels comfortable, stays in place, and gives real protection without feeling heavy. The Hisfog Volleyball knee pads focus on thick sponge padding through the center to help absorb impact and reduce friction on contact. The material uses elastic polyester fabric that stretches easily and helps manage sweat during long practices. The pull-on design has elastic cuffs that are built to prevent slipping or rolling during movement, which can help new players feel more secure. They come in small, medium, and large. Small fits younger kids around 5 to 10 years old, medium works for many teens, and large fits older teens and adults. Color options include black, white, pink, and a skin tone shade. Most feedback highlights comfort, cushioning, and a steady fit that doesn't bunch up. One thing to keep in mind is durability. For casual play and school practice, they tend to hold up well, though heavy, frequent contact can cause wear over time. For beginners, they offer a comfortable and confidence-building level of protection. McDavid Hex Knee Pads. Best volleyball knee pads for big legs. Players with bigger legs often struggle to find knee pads that feel secure without cutting off circulation. A tight sleeve can ruin a whole match, so fit really matters here. The McDavid Hex knee pads use closed-cell foam in a hex pattern that spreads impact across the knee. The padding stays thin and flexible, so you can move freely without that bulky look. The compression sleeve wraps the leg with a snug feel, helping keep the pad close to the joint during quick floor contact. At about 2.5 ounces per pair, they're very lightweight and easy to wear under shorts or even under other gear. They come in a wide range of sizes, from extra small up to double extra large, plus a youth option. Colors include black and white. Many athletes with thicker thighs appreciate the extended size range, though sizing runs small for a lot of people, so going up a size often leads to a better fit. Protection and comfort get strong feedback. Durability is more mixed. Some report long-term use, others see tearing after repeated hard contact. For players needing more room in the sleeve, these offer flexible coverage with a close, supportive feel. That wraps up my picks for the best volleyball knee pads. If you found this helpful, check out the other gear guides here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.